Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. This time I'm going to present two platforms that I really like, and I'm going to give you some ideas of both. Oops, sorry about that. And this was done on the tech workshop communicative activities specifically, but right now I'm only going to check two because I've been having some emails asking for a review about them for our tutorial. So I'm going to go to both. First, I'm going to talk about Notely, and then I'm going to talk about Padlet. So Notely, first of all, very easy to use. You can go with or without login. Right now I'm logged in, but not necessarily. You can enter to any link that if somebody gives you a Notely, you can go and start adding your notes right away. What I like about it, it's colorful, it's pretty, it's easy to use, and you can add photos, you can add a note, you can add to-do lists, you can change colors, you can change backgrounds, etc. Right here I have like one little one that says welcome, and you can add more notes and another note, change the colors of your notes, etc. What I do not like about it gets very crowded if you're doing it with a big group of people or students especially, and they just comment on top of each other and they have a lot to comment. It has happened before that they look too cluttered. So this is mainly for a very small introduction, very quick, very informal, that doesn't have a lot of discussion or a lot of analysis, because if not, it gets very cluttered and tricky to use because everybody can move it around. It doesn't organize itself, so you can move it and you can cover. So it's only if you want to use it for simpler tasks that don't require a lot of writing. In Padlet as well, very easy to use. Here I am connected, but the connection, the login or the sign up is extremely easy. To just answer a couple of questions and put your information. So what I like about Padlet is also very easy to use, very colorful, but also has a lot of galleries and things that you can get for ideas. And what I like about it is just it organizes itself. So I'm going to show you a fact or fiction. This I took from the gallery, it's not even mine. And here the person put pictures and a fact or fiction, and the students, the only thing that they needed to do was upvote to agree and downvote to disagree. And maybe then they can add more comments and they can discuss as a class. Everybody can see that, and everybody can add something. If they add something, it's not going to get cluttered because it's going to be very organized, as you can see here. Here also, as you can see, you can add photos and you can add your comments and likes and downlikes and up and down votes as well. So you can see here different. I'll go back to then during the Padlet, you can just paste the Padlet URL that you were given, and voila, you are in. This is one from my professors where we had to find telecollaborators, and look, you can see the amount of discussions that you are able to do on each. So it's an extremely good communicative activity for the beginning, for formative, and you will have the data right here. You'll have all the comments, so you will see who is participating. So as you can see, it's very organized, and it is my favorite. So that's my tech workshop for today. If you have any questions, please email me or Twitter with all the information that I have provided for you in the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.